Yes, hello family. This is one block cruise kamo sam lo nature park lo this. I don't know one spin lo Friday afternoon at nature park. Let's flow together. Honestly, it's like you start almost be gonna every pen number on. I just she can think about just escape. Make them lose one lo nature park straight. Honestly, like me and my our squad blooming house we walking around Kamoselo Nature Park. Yeah, mosquito too go around yet. It's the nature park, yeah, okay. Like him na you may dive in. Eh, yeah, man, cage little beds, yeah, man. It's the what Guria's cage and also bed of paradise style upshade, but I'll try to zoom in. Yeah, honestly, bed of paradise sing out stuff. Wait a minute, let me zoom. Bed of paradise time se lap, leaf noise and bed, that's the bed of paradise. Bed of paradise time se Gurias, house for Gurias. Gurias sit down with roaster. Yo, and amusem. Truly, kind right up blue style almost city go less number spin come around to the so-called nature park. Honestly, that's the research lab for nature park. Research lab, some about something about stuff around, and they endangered species number. They have it here. It's like put the screen number stuff. Yes, and on this side it's a real turtle here. What's this? It's honestly this is the rare pig nose turtle here. That's the pig nose turtle. This is the so-called rare pig nose turtle. Honestly, no splemos a pig. Yeah. Somebody legal information about this pig nose turtle. Reflections not limited to but that's the name, pig nose turtle. One of the extinct species. Yes, look at this green serpent hanging on this branch here. They are behind the glass. Honestly, if it's outside, I won't be that close. See this big one over here. Whoa. They're in there, what I will say, snake aquarium or whatever. Snake cage made of glass. Another one up here. Whoa. More family online laus barang on them. Honest, Jimulu anta but just let's have a look at this one here. Honest, minus sahlu name play man. It's my one like I'm Python number. Honestly, yeah, truly speaking, I'm start there. Just looking Amel blame sorry. But satisfying me. Papa, only step stein to all good diwai. Ayo, Papa. Something a stein said le. So got all baby ones. I'm a baby ones. I'm a baby ones. Boss man, bogata stale. Honestly, me to boss man this one. Oh yeah, Papa, rainbow style skin blem na sign. Camera na I believe look selilik but honest. You look reliably straight there. Honest. Truly. Oh yeah, Papa.
And say the skin as a love. Hey, all I know, happy mate now. You got to talk like that.
Papa, look at this something I'm kirap. Bang him lo glass eh, bogara pa pura lo vaccine nothing. I'm like she selfie, I'm ready. Honest. Lapun man eh. Ano siya, lapun man o lapun meri.
Oh yeah.
Meh.
How are you?
So boss man me talk true. This one I'm honest. Wait. What makes you the selfie one time straight?
How are you, baby?
Laos food go pass. Me pati backside. Honest. It's nice lap straight eh. Mila just stall yeah. Must be no. Go na itrang jam puti try lo nature park please. Buy you just one bell nothing. One bell. Laos stand stall backside. Obviously snap nothing lap. Itu mislap ko like ko mistall ya side. Senta camera on na senta mixi selfie one time eh. Yo. Nice la phone lo me. Them got option look. Kasi ma selfie record yet man. While record is on them, you can take screenshots, snapshots with. Yo, that was the round of today. Honestly, this environment in the nature park is so mind-blowing and refreshing at the same time. Yo, anybody around Ustalo City gonna less and tired? This German spin run come on nature park. Believe me, honest. Stop flying fox to sing out. It's into crying, but you just feeling one like nice, yeah, nice. No say no me ko roni na tilo na melo loan na lulu ko kamsta. Honestly, nice. Tribe club, I'm talk one beds cage or what? Yeah, it's locked currently and all the beds. You want the beds to inside now go sing out there, but I cannot take a good shot of it. Okay, I can see it's a kind of a crow or what? It's a black bed. Yeah, crow. I'm stand there. Around good at us all. I want to live mana, man. Some mana, I want to bigot man straight. I want to run longer up, no head pen straight. Scale. Honestly, ni ronyo ga tap go na mika lab section lol kokina perote. Mala bossman ka wisite. Oi boss, you alright ah? Scale mangi, stalo camera poste. Eme. O perot stand up. Wante samla koki. Aya. Honestly, o koki. Ol perot. Bene, no fear type me. Un campaign mo kam tiba me gyon la pinat na molem. Sorry, no treat for you for now. Kids. Yeah, squad. Honest, Uncle Flying Fox stand, I make it plenty noise. I'm Flying Fox. These are really big flying foxes around. Yo, honest. Nature park and nature straight. Nature, I feel the nature. Scale. Footpaths to go around inside. Scale. Honestly speaking, yes, our journey today to the nature park was really awesome, and I really, I felt like I've been refreshed mentally. Truly speaking, honestly, if you feel alright straight there, then can I leave you but thinking about to finish now. I'm a new person, and this is nature park. Yes, family. Thank you very much for watching. Much love and stay blessed. Kids.
Today is a gift, for we don't know what tomorrow might bring. Life is too short for so, and I don't like holding on to little grudges that will keep on taunting me. Just wanna live my moments with the happiness. Inaka, amene, Waleo kotimbo kipindo, amene. That's what I say. What do I want pay? You should let it go and just forget it all, yo. They say life is a race, and I'm on the chase until I realize I'm still chasing my dreams, yeah. They say life is a race, and I'm on the chase until I realize I'm still chasing my dreams, yeah. Oh, yeah.